Today I'm extremely excited to announce the printing of my first book, Zero to Hero, How to Jumpstart Your Reliability Journey Given Today's Business Challenges. It's a book that I go into more detail than I do on this YouTube format, but it's still the same mission, folks. Trying to bridge the gap between the best practices that you should be doing, that you know how to do, but you can't quite figure out how to get it done in your current culture. You're overwhelmed by the current state of your culture. So how do you bridge that gap, start on your reliability journey, deliver that reliability culture? So just a lot more detail than I can go into in this channel. It's an alternative journey. We've started this a year ago. My first video was in July of last year. Hopefully you've seen results that can happen very rapidly, that are sustainable, scalable, rooted in best practices. You can do this, folks. I have the link to Amazon below. I recommend getting the paperback version, but it is available in as an ebook as well. The paperback, to me, maybe I'm old school, is better as a reference. I have a lot of tables and a quick reference guide at the back, a lot of step-by-step, along with a story at the beginning. The first half of the book is a story, but I would think that you would want to use this as a reference, put it on the bookshelf, quick reference guide to, hey, what step am I missing? Where am I at in the process? This book is the result of a subscriber challenge. One of you out there challenged me to go a little deeper, and this book wouldn't have materialized without an anonymous person that I do not know saying, I think you ought to do this and it would be helpful. So to me, imagine what the world could be like if we challenged each other to a higher standard. This person was a spark for me, and who can you be a spark for? Thank you. Hopefully I'll get a couple people to buy my book. Thanks.